Take a look at this Instagram page. It has gained over 2.2 million followers and is pulling in hundreds of thousands of views per video. Some of their videos have even hit 24 million and 9 million views, just from cycling POV content that looks insanely calm, satisfying, and weirdly addictive. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos yourself without spending a single dollar. Yeah, free, which is probably your favorite price. All right, first head over to ChatGPT. Then go to Explore GPTs on the left sidebar and search for Cycling POV Generator. Click this one, then hit Start Generator. It's going to give you 10 different cycling scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or type more if you want even more options. For now, I'm typing more, because apparently my brain wants premium level ideas today. As you can see, ChatGPT gives us 10 fresh new ideas. Alright, I really like this one, Sunflower Field Country Lane. So I simply type 7 into the prompt box and hit send. Then the GPT gives you two things, an image prompt and a video prompt. Just copy the image prompt. Now open a new chat in ChatGPT. Click on the image generator, choose your aspect ratio, paste the image prompt into the prompt box and hit send. Now, ChatGPT starts generating the image. It takes a little time because unlike most people online, it's actually doing something useful. But the results are insanely good. As you can see, our image is generated. Now just download it and head over to Google Flow. Select the video generation mode and upload the image as the start frame. Once it's uploaded, head back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and hit send. Wait a few seconds, and boom, our video is generated. And honestly, it looks incredibly realistic, natural, and super satisfying to watch. Here are some videos I made using this exact same method. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, AI Excentra, so you don't miss the next viral AI niche before everyone else copies it for the next 6 months. I'll see you in the next video.